Hey everybody, I've got something new. Well, not new. New to the channel. I've never opened this before. I've started to buy it, but I've ended up like seeing other things and passing it up. And it's always caught my attention because it has 4 autographs per box. And it is 2015 Topps Field Access. It's like a 1-year deal. They didn't make it any other year. The 2015 rookie class is really good, but I haven't checked the autograph checklist to see if all of those top rookies did sign for this product. But either way, at the price point it's at, I thought, you know, it was worth taking a chance, and I caught it on sale. It's a little bit under 50, I think it was. For 4 autographs, that's not bad. And for the 2015 rookie class, it's not bad. Let's see how many packs are in here. 4 packs, 10 cards per pack. So there you have it. 4 packs, and every pack is going to have an autograph. I assume that's how it will be. And there they are, hanging out in the middle of the box. You don't see a lot of these cards on eBay either. I'm not sure why. I don't know if this is just a product that people didn't like very much, or what happened to this stuff. They're not bad looking cards. There's a Jameis Winston rookie right on top. A little dark, but other than that, not too bad. Tyler Eifert, Jeremy Hill, Eric Ebron, Eli Manning, Adrenaline Rush. Who's that? Jason Verrett? That looks to be a parallel of some sort. It's not, it's blue along the edge. The first autograph is Silas Redd. Okay, I see what the problem might be. There's probably a lot of just lower tier autographs in this. And that's probably why people aren't so crazy about it. Carlos Williams rookie, Bishop Sankey, and AP. I don't know. Somebody comment below. Let me know what the deal is with this. Why is the price so low? Because of what I just said, or was there some other reason? Was it overproduced and then they watered down the checklist? Something's going on. There's Silas again. AJ Green, Kenny Bell rookie, another parallel, Eric Berry, and that's numbered to 99. Let's see if that blue, I guess not. No, okay. Adrian Peterson, Adrenaline Rush, John Elway. Next autograph, Richard Rodgers for the Packers. It's a sticker auto. Terrence Williams and Devin Smith, rookie. Kind of stuck in the pack, kind of crammed together. I can't read this name. Christian Jones, rookie. Reggie Bush, Bridgewater, the Breeze Blue. Nelson Aguilar, rookie, all access. Greg Olson. Dante Moncrief, that's not bad, and it looks to be the parallel version. It is, so it's numbered to 99. That's not a bad autograph. Always liked him. Tyler Croft rookie, Nick Foles, and Clinton Dix. Alright, last pack. Rashad Green rookie, Kadeem Carey, Zach Stacy, Reggie Bush again, all access, Ronnie Lott, Abderderis, oh, this is a good autograph. Travis Kelce, gold. I love him. I like this. This is a really good auto. So this, I mean, this is not bad. It's two, you know, good autos, and two just Safarian Jenkins, Chris Ivory, and Moncrief again. Yeah, I don't know that you get your money back, you know, but that's pretty common for products anyways. But yeah, the gold Kelce and Moncrief, not too bad. I'm glad I did it. I was itching to open something new and different that I had not opened before, and so field access it was. Thanks so much for watching. Everybody take care. I'll be back with some more cards for you very soon.